Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're not going to learn new words and expressions, just review what we've learned from our last week. Follow me to read them out loudly and keep going. The first one, 手机 mobile phone. 手机手机手机电脑 computer 电脑电脑电脑 television 电视电视电视 minute 分钟分钟分钟 hour 小时小时小时 week 星期星期星期 stupid 傻瓜傻瓜傻瓜稍后稍后稍后 later 广州广州广州上海上海上海北京北京北京闭嘴 shut up 闭嘴闭嘴讨厌 hate 讨厌讨厌讨厌 just now 刚才刚才刚才 now 现在现在现在 have a look 看看看看看看 where 在哪在哪在哪东西 thing were east and west 东西东西东西 party 聚会聚会聚会 eat 吃饭吃饭吃饭请客请客请客 treat Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.